The 30-minute chart is this actually shoulder level, if you wish to consider it's a shoulder level. All right, it's a wave 4, it's a triangular wave 4. Because there's no positive momentum on the 1 hour in particular, we cannot expect it's an ascending triangle, it's an asymmetric triangle. Okay, and it will break down into a 5. That is the expectancy. We cannot, so far, we're not unable to rise above level 1. Therefore, a sell half size at level 1 is a good entry. Just in case this will change next week, adding another half at that higher degree level 1 is the best option. Right now, we are nowhere near that higher degree level 1, so it's not even showing on the 30-minute chart, but on the 30-minute chart, we are showing the current motive wave down and the correction in 4A and 4B and 4C. So that 4C has the potential to take you all the way to the higher level 1. This dashed white line comes in at 162.16, but not likely, again, because the momentum is not really strong. But we know this is an A, B, and a C because of this indentation here in negative momentum, and we're looking at taking projections of this 1, 2, and 3. That is the end of the move. I think next week we're still going to be getting to see 161 one more time, and then failure. Right, let's take it live now. We first want to check the momentum pictures before we move to the internal trading. This is what you have on the 1 hour. We're saying you don't have positive momentum because you have a negative indentation on the 1 hour. Here it means it's a flat correction, and you have a negative indentation like we're showing also on the 30 minutes. So we use these to project where the market is going to terminate. We have actually 2 negative indentions on the momentum histogram on the 30 minutes, which means we are in a flat. Confirm that we are in a flat and not in an uptrending market. And this is what you get on the 4 hours. Of course, it's very dismal, and it is an internal degree correction onto this wave 3. This is a wave 3. All of this is a wave 3. What you get in very slight positive momentum is just a very dismal wave 4 into that wave 3. The daily, of course, is also about to reject that order. So let's do the internal projections for the current move. Last, I think 2 days ago, we were looking at taking very small intraday longs. We were expecting that this was an A, B, and the C. Right. And we did very small intraday longs into this segment. You would have taken profit at 160.8 or stood out down altogether. This is yes now an A, B, and the C, and we're still having to be a bit patient until that C concludes, finishes. So let us understand what is this all about. Forget about all the other technical pictures now. This is what the current market is doing. This is, of course, wave 4C. And that 4C is an ending diagonal. It's an ending diagonal. We think it gets to start as of that point. So this is A, B, this is C, this is D, this is E. So let's do the labeling. This is very normal and very practical because in reality, what you're seeing, spare a second, so there's an E here. In reality, what you're seeing is a fraction of this ending diagonal. There's an ending diagonal here in 4A, there's going to be an ending diagonal in 4C. This means you're just having double tops or double shoulders or very small double heads beside one another. It means you just get to do 161.8 to 161.5, any of these very smaller levels. Of course, if we already showed half size, it's best to go on confirmation. We always reserve, like we're doing with gold, that second half until we are very sure where the market is leading. And we also have to be patient because we don't want to jump the gun. Momentum will tell us when there's a breakout. Either way, even if it's going to be a breakout higher. But at this point, if we had longs, we'd have closed them. If we have longs, we can still close them to the day before the weekend. You're looking at this C takes you here. There's going to be a very congested D and then another E. That last leg, you're looking at doing that last leg in this 4C, has to be a 5-wave swing. 5-wave swing. You've already done an A, B. I don't believe this is C. Let's see. It looks like it's just another swing here. It is possible you really have the C. Possible you have a D already. And you're just waiting for the E. It is possible that C is not yet concluded. Only again momentum will tell. And you get an E. You just get 5 swings. That is it. Then there's reversal. And this is what is showing on the momentum pictures, specifically on the 4 hours and on the 30 minutes.